Ahead of his birthday, Hrithik Roshan took to his Instagram handle to introduce his new pet, Mowgli. He posted a cute video of his furry friend and it is unmissable.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
Ah! Oh, you're biting. You're teething. What's doing? Where are you going?
Sharing the video, the Dhoom 2 actor wrote, and I quote, "Hello world, it's me, Mowgli. At least that's what my human calls me. I was found under a car by the lovely Rosie who takes care of so many like me. Thanks you, miss, for making the world a better place for the furry folk. Now then, guess I'll be seeing a lot more of you guys. Be sure to say hi when you see me. Hashtag IndiePup, hashtag Indian Indies, hashtag Dogs of Instagram, hashtag aren't too cute." As soon as he shared the post, Bollywood stars dropped love in the comment section. Varun Dhawan wrote, and I quote, best decision. Priyanka Chopra commented, best decision ever. Hi Mowgli. Diana Penty, Tiger Shroff, Kriti Sanon, Sophie Chaudhary, Karishma Tanna, Zoya Akhtar dropped heart emoticons in the comment section. The actor might not celebrate his birthday owing to the rise in COVID cases in the country. There are a lot of restrictions in place in the state of Maharashtra. Hence, the actor has no plans to celebrate his birthday this year. Moreover, his entire building is quarantined due to Nadiadwala's family being positive for COVID-19. The actor is reportedly staying under the quarantine building and he won't even have a low-key birthday celebration, a report in the news portal stated. The report also added that Hrithik and his family members might just do a small celebration among themselves. Every year, the actor comes out of his residence to greet his fans who come to wish him on his special day. The superstar also often cuts a cake with the media and interacts with them. Recently, the actor took to his Instagram handle to share his first look from Vikram Vedha, co-starring Saif Ali Khan and Radhika Apte. The film will hit the big screens globally on 30 September 2022. The original Tamil blockbuster starred R. Madhavan and Vijay Sethupathi in the lead role.